Hi guys, I recently got placed in INFOGAIN Private Limited India. These are the assets they sent me. I with the role of software engineer. Let's see what's inside. And this is the laptop bag they sent me. It's a Wildcraft and it is customized by INFOGAIN. Laptop's charger, and there is a message. They have given the laptop's login ID and password and the specification of the laptop. Let's see. Oh yes, they have given me the Dell laptop with the Dell Latitude of 3420 with the Intel Core 7 and RAM is of 16 GB. This is the laptop. And these are all goodies they have sent me, and I'm very excited to look into what are all inside. Hey guys, this is my ID card with the all period gun, and it's a water bottle. Yeah, it's quite good with the customized as INFOGAIN. And there is a Dell mouse for the laptop they have sent me. And these are the headset which I got from the company Sony. Wow, these are so good to take a call.